Media balance and well-being.
Hello, this is our PowerPoint on media balance and well-being.
Digital citizenship is defined as continuously developing norms of appropriate, responsible, and empowered technology use.
What is media balance? Media balance is using media in a way that feels healthy and in balance with other life activities.
Balance isn't something you find, it's something you create, from Jana Kingsford. So make sure you create balance with media and don't expect to just find it.
Tips to balance your media use. Don't compare with, she uses media more. It does not help your usage. Avoid distractions. Social media can distract you a lot sometimes. And limit your time. If you're watching YouTube before bed, watch the clock. Time will run out quickly.
In conclusion, just pay attention, watch the time, and do the right thing.
Well-being is defined as the state of being comfortable, healthy, or happy.
When well-being comes from engaging our strengths and virtues, our lives are imbued with authenticity. Martin E.P. Seligman.
Tips to improve your well-being. Connect with the people around you, be active, be curious, and keep learning.
And that was our presentation.